Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MGM Plus on Apple TV instant guide step by step clearly. To activate MGM Plus on your Apple TV, begin by turning on your Apple TV device. Ensure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the App Store on your Apple TV home screen. Using the search function, type in MGM Plus. Select the MGM Plus app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once installed, open the MGM Plus app. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you need to create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions. After signing in, look for the activation code displayed on your screen. Now, take your smartphone or computer and open a web browser. Visit the activation website provided in the MGM Plus app. Enter the activation code you see on your Apple TV. Follow any additional prompts on the website to complete the activation process. Wait for a confirmation message indicating your activation is successful. Return to your Apple TV and refresh the MGM Plus app. You are now ready to start streaming your favorite shows on MGM Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.